TISSOT PRX. Now let's say you don't have $15,000 to $75,000 laying around for an Audemars Piguet watch, and you need that look for that royal oak. It's one of the most recognizable luxury watch designs on the planet. However, it's not within the average person's budget. The TISSOT PRX Quartz gives you all the beauty of the 1970s retro style, the same as this luxury brand, without needing a second mortgage. It's an AP affordable option, Swiss made with all kinds of style, the PRX.
You feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Now I've reviewed the PRX Powermatic 80 model, and the link will be in the description down below, and you can review that video as well. She's gorgeous. It's a rock star, no doubt. And this one is even more affordable as a Swiss option, coming from Tissot. Reference, I'll put it down here because it's long, just like most Tissot designs. T137.410.11.051.00. It's right there, no worries. Now the case, like its brother, we're looking at a 40mm brushed and polished case. One of the highlights being that great looking polished bezel over the brushed case top. We have a 27mm integrated lug bracelet connection design, similar to its brother. We have a 45mm lug to lug, very reasonable, 10.5mm thickness, a 5mm signed push-pull crown. Sapphire crystal finishes off this case with the screw-down case back. Sapphire is not only stronger, but also allows for better visibility. And we also have 100 meters of water resistance for this beauty casual dress design. Now we have a matte black dial, simple and classy, like its brother or sister, the Powermatic 80. Tissot 1853 at the 12. PRX at the 6 with Swiss made at the lower 6. No frame date window with black on white display. No cyclops required, and it has a very clean look. Doesn't take away from that dial. We have a 3-hand movement, steel loomed hands and indices, a large seconds hand running around that dial, and Superluminova is used for the great visibility in low light conditions for the lume for this beauty. It's finished with a subtle second-minute chapter ring for a sporty touch. Now the cost, she's coming in with an MSRP of $475 Canadian, sold at the Bay here in Canada, and can be purchased online at TISSOTwatch.com. Now one of the rock stars of this piece, similar to that of its brother, the Powermatic 80, is the bracelet. The push-button stainless steel, seamless butterfly clasp design like the AP Royal Oak, with signed Tissot 1853 at the connection point. It's so special it also has its own reference number, T605046447 for the bracelet alone, in case replacement options are needed. Push button, release, butterfly clasp. You have all the strength you need while looking rich and classy, and comes with more than enough links for larger size wrists as well. The movement behind this gorgeous piece is the Quartz Movement caliber ETA F06.115. I'm TheCovertCrow. Thanks for all your support. Appreciate you coming to the channel. You keep coming back. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. You don't want to miss the next video, and you'll get notified when the video drops. It's that simple. You can also follow me on Instagram at TheCovertCrow, right there, no problem. That's my time for today. New Year's coming. Let's have a great 2023. Everyone be safe, be well. See you on the next one.